Let me tell you something that most gardeners don't know. There's different types of worms, people. There's good worms and there's ones that will totally ruin your garden. Now, there's three different types of worms. Your good worms are considered like your regular earthworms, okay? The regular ones you find out in your garden and yard. They'll dig deep, they'll loosen your dirt, and they help your plants grow strong. Now, when you look at them, there's a raised band around their body. And you'll be able to see until it's just a regular earthworm. Now, your next good worms is red wigglers. They're compost worms. They're little, they're red with little bands around them, little colored bands. They don't get over 6 inches deep. They're small, and you'll find them in your compost pile. That's the best worms you can have in your garden. And the reason being, they'll take scraps and stuff and turn it into good soil. Those are the two worms you kind of want to keep an eye on. Now the ones you don't want to watch is these, right here, the Alabama jumping worm. That worm is not from Alabama. It was imported into Alabama from Asia. They actually call them jumping worms, snake worms, crazy worms. If you touch them, they jump and start crazy, moving like a snake. They can actually shed their tail sometimes to get away from predators. Now, they're fast and they're deadly. I mean, they really, the band around their body is smooth. Not like a regular earthworm. A regular earthworm band is actually high, raised, and you can see it predominant. These worms stay real close to the top. Red wigglers, 4 to 6 inches. These are like 2 inches. And what makes them so deadly, people, is they'll eat anything. They eat fast, they breed fast. And you don't need 2 worms to breed. One worm, one Alabama jumper can turn into a whole flock and just really fast, real fast. Now, what they'll do, they'll get into your soil and they eat so fast and breed so fast that they'll eat all the compost and your leaves, and it'll turn your soil into like dried coffee ground. It'll ruin your garden. And the reason I'm doing this video, one of my subscribers said, what do you think about Alabama jumpers? Leave them alone, people. They'll ruin your garden. Look, your plants won't grow. And over time, your garden just don't produce like it should. Yeah. In 1 to 2 years, they can totally ruin your garden. I mean, totally destroy it. Now, here's the thing. Not all worms are your friends. Your red wigglers, your night crawlers, your native earthworms, yeah, they're good. If you see a jumping worm, you better keep your eye on it. And the bad thing is, they in Louisiana, they in Mississippi, they in Alabama, mostly imported through potted plants. And it's almost no way to get, if you have them in your garden, about the only thing you can do is layer visqueen and leave it and hope the sun fries it and kills them. Okay, here's the part. If you're trying to get rid of them and you know you have them, there's multiple ways. But number one, pesticides don't reach them. For some reason, they just don't seem to know. You can use mustard water.
Are you saying mustard?
Mustard, yeah. You can take a cup of dried mustard and put it in a gallon of water and spray it. But the old tried and true method, I've always said, a worm breathes through its skin. They dry, they die. Dry them any way you can. Like I said, till the soil, throw visqueen down, anything to dry that soil and they'll die. Now the eggs, they're a little tougher than the worms. It takes a while to get rid of them. Mustard water won't kill the eggs. The eggs are tougher than the worms. Now, you can cover the ground with clear plastic. Make sure you seal it where the heat stays in the ground. Leave your plastic on the ground for at least 2 to 4 weeks. The eggs are a lot tougher than a worm. It's hard to kill them. Since they're not native to America, severe freeze and thaw, you can kill them, or help you kill them, or a lot of heat will kill them. Now, the old tried and true ways of taking out the worms, the mustard water, that only, it don't help the egg, don't mess with the eggs. Your quick sprays, that don't kill it. Light tilling don't kill them, and vinegar on the soil don't kill the eggs. So you're wasting your time with that. So take it from there, people. Don't bring them home. Alabama jumpers, people, don't build soil. They'll destroy your garden. They'll tear it from the top down and ruin the whole garden. Leave them out as much as possible. Take care of your soil, people. Keep your good worms there, keep your bad worms out. And from me and my family, Pawpaw Sammy, at Orange Beach, Alabama, on the Gulf Coast, American Gulf Coast. And I want to wish y'all a happy Easter. Thank y'all and subscribe. On Pawpaw Sammy and Alleybugs channel.